If you're looking to refresh your old ads and give them a fresh creative boost, then you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly how to use AdCreative AI to revamp your older ad creatives, improving performance, engagement, and your overall ROI. AdCreative AI is a powerful tool designed to automate and optimize your ad creation process. It uses artificial intelligence to generate high-quality ad creatives based on the data you input. The best part? You don't have to be a graphic designer or a marketing pro to make stunning ads that convert. You can use AdCreative AI for free with the first link in the description below, which comes with some exclusive bonuses to help you get started. And stay tuned to the end because I'll be sharing how you can get an extended free trial to explore all the powerful features the software offers. Now let's dive in. First, let's talk about how AdCreative AI works. Essentially, it uses machine learning to understand what makes an ad successful. Based on your goals, whether it's increasing clicks, improving conversions, or driving sales, the platform will generate creative ad designs that align with your objectives. So even if you're starting with an old ad or outdated creative, AdCreative AI can suggest new layouts, messaging, and visuals to make your ads pop. To refresh an old ad, the first step is to upload your current creatives or provide some context about your campaign. You can either input text or select from various creative templates. AdCreative AI will analyze the performance of your past ads and compare them against industry best practices. From there, it will suggest improvements based on what's worked before in similar campaigns. One of the most powerful features is its ability to automatically optimize your designs for different platforms. Whether you're running ads on Facebook, Instagram, Google, or even LinkedIn, AdCreative AI makes sure your ad is tailored to each platform's specifications, saving you a ton of time that you'd otherwise spend manually adjusting each ad. But here's where it gets even better. AdCreative AI can create multiple variations of your ads at once. That means you don't have to keep testing and guessing. Instead, you get a set of new creatives to try out, so you can quickly determine which ones resonate best with your audience. Another amazing feature is the AI's ability to optimize your copywriting. It suggests headline, description, and call to action copy that's aligned with the best performing ads in your niche. This means you can avoid spending hours brainstorming and writing ad copy that may or may not perform well. It doesn't just help with visuals and text, it also provides insights on which design elements, colors, fonts, and layouts will likely deliver the best results for your campaign. Whether you're refreshing an old ad or starting a new campaign, AdCreative AI helps you make decisions backed by data rather than guesswork. So, to recap, you can use AdCreative AI to refresh your old ads by uploading your current creatives, leveraging AI-generated suggestions for improved visuals and copy, and optimizing your ads for multiple platforms. And all of this can be done in a matter of minutes. You'll save time, improve performance, and make your ads stand out with little effort. Before I finish, make sure to click the link in the description below to access AdCreative AI for free. This exclusive offer gives you extended access to everything the platform offers, perfect for testing out the software's full capabilities. AdCreative AI is a game changer for anyone looking to refresh old ads or take their creative process to the next level, so make sure you check it out and start transforming your ads today.